As a fleet manager, you know that operating an efficient fleet is crucial to the success of the organization. But skyrocketing costs, labor shortages, and not having everything organized can hinder your efforts to reach your goals. We know how you feel, and we're here to help. At FleetSoft, we understand the challenges that fleet managers face on a daily basis. That's why we've developed an easy-to-use solution that can make a real difference in your fleet operations. Our web-based fleet maintenance software monitors compliance and alerts you on any issues early on. It also manages expenses and more. This helps you make informed decisions and gives you control over your fleet's performance. We know that cost savings and operational efficiency are important to you. With our software, you can reduce your parts costs by up to 40% by reducing excess inventory. This frees up funds that can be invested in other areas of your fleet. You'll also improve your fleet's safety and decrease downtime by fixing issues quickly. Drivers can report issues instantly, so you can have the parts ready and get vehicles back on the road quicker. Plus, you'll gain greater operational efficiency through simple planning and scheduling the maintenance and repair work. We offer warranty tracking, compliance, and cost management oversight so you can focus on optimizing your fleet's performance. We've been helping fleet managers like you for over 25 years, and we're confident that we can help you too. That's why we're offering you a free 15-day trial. When operational efficiency is your top priority, FleetSoft is the solution. We understand your challenges, and we're here to help you optimize your fleet's performance. Let us show you how FleetSoft can help you regain control of your fleet and get back to focusing on your business.